A few months back, we made an ebook called 7 Amazing Cross Patterns that contained 7 different cross patterns that could easily be cut out on a scroll saw. We decided to take one of those patterns and create a file for the CNC that would make it easier for us to duplicate them and do it a little bit faster than what we could on the scroll saw. This is the cross that we decided to make because it's one that we've had success in the past selling in our shop. And you can get one of these for yourself on our shop, or you can get one of the 7 Amazing Cross Pattern books that I talked about a minute ago. But for now, I want to show you how we made this. This is actually the 3rd or 4th iteration of this robed cross. We had made a few others where the robe overlapping the center had much bigger gaps in it. It was a lot easier to cut on a scroll saw this way. The piece of wood I'm using here came from a rough sawn board. I couldn't decide if it was maple or cherry when I started, but after cutting it down, planing it, it sure smelled a lot like cherry, so that's what I'm going to say it is. I opted for using the 16th inch end mill to retain some of the tight corners and curves. It really worked well, and the runtime was only an extra 2 minutes, surprisingly, compared to the 8th inch end mill. I also redesigned the candle holder on the back. It used to be shaped like the rock that the cross is sitting in, but that design wasn't practical. The newer design allows for both a tea light candle and a votive, whichever you choose. The glue up is pretty straightforward. The base is just crudely glued to the back of the main cross. A spacer is used when clamping it to make sure it is clamped at a perfect 90-degree angle. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget that you can get a pattern similar to this one that's included in our 7 Amazing Cross Patterns book, and you can find that on our shop, and the links to that will be in the description. But again, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.